Hi, good morning all. This session is about alphabetical series. Here a series will be given and we have to find next term of that series. This type of questions will come under logical reasoning. First question is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Here the letters are in alphabetical series, so we can guess the answer easily. The next term is G, H, I, J. Second one is M, O, P, R, S, U. We have to find next term. Here the logic is M is there, O is there. Here M, N, O, middle, one letter is there. Next P is there, R is there. Q letter is in the middle. S is there, U is there. Middle is T. One logic is two letters are there and between them one letter is missing according to alphabetical series. Okay, this is one logic. Now M, O. After O, what will come? P. Here R is there. Next, what will come? Yes. So, according to this series, the next starting term will be U is there. It should be V. Next, what is the first logic says? Here, one letter is missing. V, X. The term is VX. VX is follows the same logic. Between VX, W is there. Next one is AZ, EV, IR, OL. We have to find next term of the series. First, we have to check is this series is in continue alphabetical order. No, it is not like that. We will check the difference between these letters. How many letters are between A and Z? 24. Now, between EV, 16 letters are missing. Between IR, 8 letters are missing. Between OL, 2 letters are missing. We are not having any logic to connect these numbers, right? Then this logic also fails. Next, we observe first letters. A is there. A, E, I, O is there. These are what? These are vowels. So, next vowel is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, first letter, we got it. Then what about second letter? What is the logic behind Z, V, R, L? Okay, I will tell. There is no logic to connect Z, V, R, L. If we check between Z and V, how many letters are there? 3 letters. Between V and R, how many letters are there? 3. Okay, here 3, here 3. Then between R and L also it should be 3. But in R and L, it is in 5. So we can't say there is a gap of 3 letters in between them. We can't say that, right? So next, I'm going with this table that is nothing but A, B, C, D. This table is nothing but if we write letters in an alphabetical order and if we write reverse of that, this is in an alphabetical order. These are in reverse order. Okay. Now we will check. A in front of Z is there. Okay. E. E is there. One is in a alphabetical order and another letter is in a reverse order. Okay. I. IR is there. O. For O, L is there. Now we understood. First letter is vowels and second letters are the alphabets which are written in reverse order. But placing is same. Here A will come first while writing in a order wise. In the reversible order, A will come in the end and Z will come in the first place. Places are same. Clear? Next, U is there. For U, order is while written in a alphabetical order and while it is already written in a reverse series, U is there. Now we have to write F. Here, the logic behind this is first letter is a vowel, second letter is the first letter we got that is in alphabetical order or reversible order. The second letter we are going to get is the reverse of that. For example, A is in alphabetical, it will come first, Z in reverse order, it will come in the end. Here U is in a, while writing in a reverse order, it will come to the place of F. So we have written F here. Next question is AC, EG, IK, MO. Okay, first we will check the difference in letters between them. Okay, here one letter is missing, that is B. Here A, F, G, I, J, K, M, N, O. Okay, next we are going to get letters. Starting letter we have to find and ending letter also we have to find. In between them, one letter should be missing, and we will think how these letters will connect in series A, B, C. Here E, E. If I consider in the previous example, we have taken A, E, I, O, U as a vowels logic we have taken. Here A, E, I, but O is not there in the place of M, so that logic will fail. So we have to check another logic, that is A, B, C, D. D is missing here. Okay, we will check this logic whether it will work or not. E, F, E, F, G, H. Yes, one letter is missing. I, J, K, L, M, N is missing. Oh, okay. The logic is these series will connect by last is O. Last O is there. O is there. After O, P. We have to leave that and we have to go with the Q, Q. Now I got first letter and I have to skip next letter, that is R, and I have to write next letter of that is S. The next term will be Q. Yes. Next question is A, B, C, B, C, E, C, D, G, D, E, I, E, F, K. By seeing that series, we can guess first two letters of that term, next term, that is A, B is there, B ends here. So second letter B is the starting term of the second B, C, E, second term. Here second letter is C, it is the starting letter of the term C, D, G. Likewise it continues. Now next starting letter is second letter, that is F. Next letter should be A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F. What it indicates? It indicates the immediate next letter of the first letter. So second letter should be G. Okay, first two letters are confirmed. Next C is there. How we can relate this? B, C. Next term B, C. Here next letter C, D, middle one letter is missing here. Here D, G is there. D, E, F. Two letters are missing. Now here E and I is there. In between them F, G, H. Okay. The series looks like second letter to third letter within a term. In the first term, immediate next letter. In the second term, one letter is missing between second and third letters. In third term, letters are missing between second and third letters. Here three. Now in EFK it should be 4. We will check. F, G, H, I, J. Yes, exactly. We are getting four letters are missing. So in the next term, here for second letter to last letter, 5 letters should be missing, or we have to delete 5 letters. That is H, I, J, K, L. Up to L we have to leave, then we have to write. So the next term of this series is FGM. Sixth question is PNB, OLC, NJD, MHE. What might be the logic? By looking at this series, we can say here B, C, C, D, E is there. So I'm assuming that last letter might be F. We will check. N is there. In between, O is there. O is there. L is there. In between, M, N, J. In between N, J, 3 letters are there. That is K, L, M. K, L, M. Now we'll check. It should be 4. So after H, I, J, K, L. Yes, we are right. Now in the next term, 5 letters have to be deleted between first and second letter. How will this? We have to check that logic now to get the first and second term. Okay, by seeing the first letter, you can guess first letter. Okay, M, N, O, P. Or else, if we take from first term, then it is P, O, N, M. Next, it means if we write in a reverse order, what will come? That is L. Now I have to check whether we have to leave 5 letters. 2 option will come. That is one is F. Another one is R. We have to select in between this. We have to check second series. It means N, L is there. Next J is there. H is there. What it indicates? If I take from first term, the second letter of this first term is N. Second letter of the second term is L, J, H. We can observe it is in a reverse order, right? And also they have leave one letters in between them. In between N and L, M is there. In between L and J, K is there. In between J and H, I is there. Now in a reverse order we have to take. It means F is a correct answer. In a reverse order we have to take. So answer is L, F, F. Next question is N was at L, M, U, J, K, P, H, I, K. What it indicates? N, O, L, M, J, K, H, I. These are immediate letters. Or else we can see like this also. H, I is missing. Again J, K is missing. Again L, M is missing. Again N. If reverse order is difficult for you means you can write down here. and you have to check. Or else you can go with the last term of the series and check. Now one letter is missing, right? From first letter of each term. Now what might be the first letter? Here also one letter have to leave. Then it should be F, right? Here F is there. We leave G and next letter is H. Now O-N, L-M, sorry, N-O, L-M. It indicates it is an immediate next letter. Immediate next letter of F is G. So G. Okay. Next letter is Z is there. U is there. How many letters are missing? Here 4. From Z to U. 4 letters are missing. Now U to P. U to P, how many letters are missing? Again 4. That is Q R S T. Now this P to K. How many letters are missing? 4. That is L M N O. Now we have to leave 4 letters. Okay. Here Z U P K are in a reverse order. So what we have to do? We have to take reverse order only. So we have to leave 4 letters. What it will come? We have to leave J I H G. Now we are going to get F. So the answer is F, G, F. Okay, next question is A, B, E, F, J, K, P, Q. A, B is there, continue, E, F continue, J, K continue, P, Q also continue. Now next term also continue term we have to get. Then what is the connection between first term to second term? That we have to find. B is there, E is there, B, C, D. 2 letters are missing. F is there, G, H, I. 3 letters are missing. J. Next, K to P, 4 letters should be missing. That is L, M, N, O. Next, Q to next letter, we have to leave 5 letters. Why? Because here the logic of this question is for second term, starting letter and first term ending letter, the difference is 2. Here second letter of second term and first letter of third term, 3 letters are missing. Second letter of third term and first letter of fourth term, there is a missing of 4 letters. Now it should be 5. After Q, what will come? R. R, S, T, U. V. We have to leave 5 letters. Next is W. Okay, next immediate letter of W. X. Next question is ZX, YW, XV, WU, VT. In this series, we have to find the next term. Here in between ZX, 1 letter is missing. YW, 1 letter is missing. XV, 1 letter is missing. WU, 1 letter is missing. VT, 1 letter is missing. So, okay. For next term, first we will check what is the first letter. Okay. That is, here if we observe the series properly, we can observe Z, Y, X, W, V are in the reverse order. Right? Next, letter is U. So first letter is U, and in between that one letter is missing. It means after U, what will come? It should be either W or yes. Okay. Next we observe second series, that is X W V U T. It is also in a reverse order of alphabet. So second letter must be yes. So answer is U. Yes. Next one is M N K P I R G T. Next term is, I have already given the chart, no? A Z P Y C X D W A B F U H S K P M N. So observe this series. First one is M1. Yeah, sorry, MN K P I R. Next, there's a gap of one. Next, GT. Next, term absolutely EB. So answer is EB. Okay, from 11 to 15, 5 questions. Try on your own and get the answer. I will post answers. Okay. I have attached a chart of numerical value of alphabet. Please go through it. It will help to solve the problems. Thank you.